Why bother? It will be the same old routine that will repeat itself for the next 10 years or who knows more. But hey, it pays the bills, so everybody should be happy, right? These thoughts are present in too many commuting cars in the mornings. Just look at the way people drive and smile at each other every morning. And many of them are not behaving like that because they are excited to get to their workplaces. In this video, we will dive into the topic of being stuck in a career. What does it mean to be stuck, and how do you know that you're stuck? Let's go. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the wonderful opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals just like yourself. In case you want to sign up for weekly career acceleration tips, just do so below here and make sure they hit the notifications so you don't miss any good content. When we feel that we are professionally stuck, we can recognize some or many of these symptoms. Boredomness, anger, not feeling valuable, dissatisfaction, paralyzing feeling, energy drain, motivation reduction, envy, helplessness, and even to the point of suffocation feeling and depression. Now, it can be one of these reasons, it can be a combo, and yes, frequently advancing in symptoms if the root causes are not revealed and proper medication taken. But what does it mean? What does it mean to be stuck in your career? It depends. It depends on your career targets and KPIs that you have set for yourself. For example, you might have said that I'm going to reach a director level by the age of 42, or get an international assignment by 2020, lead a team within 2 years, move laterally to digital marketing department, or excel in learning and becoming an expert in your field, although I'm not exposed to all the ingredients at the moment. These are your goals, and you need goals. It's good to have goals. You set them for yourself. And when you feel short for one reason or the other, when you fall short on your own set goals, that's when you feel stuck in your career. Your career management plan supports or is supposed to support those goals and KPIs. But why do we get stuck then? There are various reasons, various micro reasons behind it. But here are some helicopter view results of a tiny survey that I ran. Out of a small selection, 47% of the respondents, they said that company is too small, there are no places. So 47% company too small, no places. 37% said they are not good at promoting themselves internally. 37%. 16% said that the manager does not support me to advance. 47, 37, 16. They can happen simultaneously or standalone. The key here is it's all under our control. There might be different root causes on those things. It might be that the organization is too small, but it also might be that we haven't exhausted all the options to get those places. Whatever the root cause is, there is a root cause, and the resolution is under our control. Then there was another one, which was missing skills. And missing skills was voted 0 times, 0%. I think we're all lying. We all have things to improve. Everybody can up their chances for the next level and beyond. It's a lifelong task, so I fully, wholeheartedly disagree with missing skills 0%. But I have a video coming on this one soon. I like to group the ingredients of career advancement, which in a reverse way is the reasons why you get stuck, into 3 groups. First of all, structure. Structure has to do with how does the organization work? What's the size? What's the location? What are the opportunities? What's the org chart? What is the promotional cycle, for example? Because it's a chess game. One moves and everybody starts moving. What's the structure? Pillar 2 is skills, which was the 0%. What is the bridge from my current position to the next target position? What's the bridge? What am I missing? What can I strengthen? Where do I need to be on par or better than the other internal and external candidates for that post? And third pillar, people. Networking, the org chart, influencers. Who will have a say in promoting me internally? Who will have a say in being my wingman or wingwoman? Who will decide among all those candidates? Networking, learning, developing. So whether advancement is in-house or externally, the ingredients to make that happen, the next step, they can be found under those 3 categories. To unstuck yourself, you need to dive deeper into those pillars. There you are. Reflect on the potential stuckness of your current career. Dig into the root causes. Make an action plan. And just do it. Many times, things are under our control, and especially in this. Most of it is under our control. A leap of faith and a good dose of courage is normally the major thing needed. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, share and subscribe for future videos to accelerate your career. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.